Well, good morning, everyone. I've been kind of scarce lately, haven't I? Well, I have been sick. I am still sick. I went to work yesterday. I was there for like an hour and they sent me home. So, starting to feel a little bit better at the moment. Hopefully, tomorrow I feel completely better. Got a big weekend this weekend, so I really hope that I am feeling better. Mother's Day is coming. My mom's coming in town. We're all getting together, so it should be a lot of fun. Anyway, so today is weigh-in Wednesday. I have not checked in with you guys since Friday, so lots to catch up on, right? So I got my apartment completely done. You can see the mantle back there. I will give a little tour. I have some pictures of my helpers, and I will be inserting those as we go through here. So my sister-in-law, Barb, my niece, Stella, and my nephew, Aaron, they came to help me out, and we hung curtains in the living room, the kitchen, and the bedroom. And I had gotten some decorations for the walls, so my sister-in-law and I did that. My sister-in-law hung them. I did not, she did. Anyway, so it's definitely making me feel homey and more relaxed, and I am liking my environment when I come home from work. So with stating that, I will show you some pictures now. All right, so those were my helpers, including Buddy. Buddy helped also. So he had to get in on that family picture. So like I said, we did some things. The nighttime is like really nice. I got my clock hung in the dining room. So that makes that whole little area feel so much better also. So I will take you on a tour, but first let's get into the Weight Loss Wednesday, right? So I told you, I am so sorry. I told you guys that I had switched back to Weight Watchers. I'm sorry if this bothers people, but I have to put a cough drop in, otherwise I'm just gonna cough all the way through this, which is why I have not done any videos. So I started back on Weight Watchers, and but I've also been really sick. So when I am sick, I am drinking 7-Up and orange juice. So I'm getting a lot of calories right now. So I went up a pound, and I know it's only due to the soda that I'm drinking. And once I feel better, that will go away. Everything will go back to normal, and then I can really start the Weight Watchers. I did make some homemade chicken noodle soup on Sunday, so I've been eating that. I finished that off last night. So tonight I'm gonna do some baked chicken. I am trying to get some healthy foods in me so that that can help. I had my avocado toast and arugula this morning. It's hard to eat that stuff when you just don't feel good. So I've been eating a lot of crackers also, trying to clear my throat and the congestion that's happening. So anyway, this is going to be a very, very short video with me talking, but I will show you the rest of my house. And I will go ahead and put pictures in of the nighttime ambiance that I have. Ooh, let me tell you. So I am sorry that I have not been around, but please feel free to comment, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not been part of my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kim. This is Life Over 55 with Kim. Oh boy. I'll be right back. Okay, let's try this again. My name is Kim. This is my channel, Life Over 55 with Kim. And I'm basically going from junk food to health food. I am showing you my life. Sorry guys, can't do this. Okay, I'm showing you my life, and I am journaling as I go through. I will be 57 July 1st, and I am trying to get healthy and happy. Happiness is what you make of it, right? But I have to get myself, my body healthier. Guys, I'm ending it here. Hopefully tomorrow I am better. As soon as I can say a whole sentence without coughing, I will be back. All right, everybody, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Mwah! Bye. Hello, everybody. Here is the update at nighttime. So we added the little plaque. Got that going. There's my dining room. On over. Got a love seat from my sister-in-law and brother. My little desk I still had to keep there so I can still do my videos. My curtains. And the fireplace. Buddy's little bed. My kitchen is a mess, so don't pay any mind to that. But I did get a few things up there. My little ambiance. There's Buddy. Say hi to Buddy. Say hi to everybody. There you have it. My update.